Storms moving across east central Indiana, and they are moving off to the east southeast, moving about 30 miles per hour. We still have a cluster of thunderstorms, Mount Pleasant in Portland right now, moving into Winchester, and again, all these sliding off to the east southeast. This is just the beginning. We do expect to see more of these severe thunderstorms developing, especially heavy rain potential with these storms as a very active pattern is in place. Here's a look at the Storm Prediction Center. We've been talking about this for a couple of days, where we've had that number 3 enhanced level of storm coverage, and it does include all of central Indiana, where we have a higher probability of seeing some of those severe thunderstorms, again including all of central Indiana. Now, we do have a tornado watch that has been issued by the Storm Prediction Center as well. Right now it only includes east central Indiana until 11 p.m. However, we do believe that an isolated tornado not out of the question across to all of central Indiana, especially along that I-70, I-74 corridor. We already had a tornado that made its way, a wedge tornado in northeastern Jay County near Trinity, and that happened about half an hour ago. So we're going to continue to monitor the situation here as we go through the evening hours, as we have a lot of prime ingredients for these strong storms. 92 degrees currently in Indianapolis, 94 in Lafayette, 91 in Columbus, and our heat indices, as expected, in those upper 90s and into the triple digits. Oppressive heat, and we have those winds out of the south. They've been very sustained between 5 to over 20 miles per hour, allowing that warm, moist air to settle in. Now, FUTURETRAK does allow another boundary to push in to really trigger more activity across the area, where we do expect to see some of these storms providing some of those damaging winds in excess of 58 miles per hour or higher. Large hail will also be an issue, as well as, again, that potential for an isolated tornado, and heavy downpours do look very likely as well. This is 8 p.m. and again, tough to pinpoint exactly where these will develop. Could be a little bit farther north, could be farther south, where we have had nothing going on throughout the day today. So that area is primed to go for some of these storms to really just take off and drop heavy amounts of rain, those gusty winds with very strong downdrafts with these storms. And we're going to see training thunderstorms. So the same area will get hit by storm after storm, allowing for very heavy rainfall. This is 11:30 tonight, where we'll be on with you tonight at 11, covering more storms on radar. This eventually starts to slide farther to the south during the overnight hours Saturday morning. Think a lot of this will be out of here by sunrise tomorrow morning, and it is going to be a flash flood watch that we're going to be watching out for. We do have that in effect right now. It does continue until 10 a.m. tomorrow. We'll watch out for flash flood warnings that will be likely to see at least 1 inch of rain in most areas today. Could see 3 inches of rainfall, and even higher amounts in some of those heavier thunderstorms, more localized, with that higher of 4 to 5 inches possible. As we go into the overnight, temperatures really not going to fall a lot. We'll drop into the low 70s, and then tomorrow, another threat of severe weather. Think this will be much more isolated on a lower scale, and it does look like we'll have many dry hours during the day tomorrow. So damaging winds will be the main threats tomorrow. Notice as we go through FUTURETRAK hour by hour, we will see partly sunny skies that will allow things to heat back up again, and then we'll start to see a few of these storms bubbling up tomorrow evening, giving us that risk of a few strong, possibly severe storms. Tomorrow we will see temperatures climbing back into the upper 80s. It will still be humid. We're not going to have much relief out of the humidity, not on Saturday, and likely not on Sunday as well. We're going to see those temperatures back to around 90 degrees Sunday afternoon. By Monday, we'll start to see some changes as another round of storms does move through, periods of showers and thunderstorms. Tuesday, we are watching for an area of high pressure that will build in, bringing much relief, temperatures much cooler, and we'll see those dew points really drying out. We'll start off at 56 Tuesday morning, high of 71 later. Wednesday looks beautiful, 78, and we're back into the low 80s on Thursday, with rain returning on Friday. So we're going to have another update here in about 13 minutes, so we will update you again and be watching radar on Channel 13. Of course, the U.S. Open is on. We'll also be doing anything on Facebook Live. If anything does pop up that is severe, we'll keep you updated on the broadcast as well as all of our digital platforms. I'm meteorologist Kelly Green. Be safe out there.